Hello, my name is Deb Blum, and this is the Inside Out Activism show. What if I told you that you are humanity's greatest hope? The way that I look at it is that if there was any doubt in the past, it's perfectly clear to me now that no one is going to save us, and that we need to come together and save ourselves. The world has become far too complex of a world to expect that there's going to be some one person or one group of people that's going to have the solution to make it all better. It really does require each of us. It's time for us to change the world from the inside out, using us, the smallest microcosm, to heal the macrocosm. The one thing that we do have control over is each of us, ourselves. We can heal the planet. We can bring a greater consciousness of oneness. We can repair relationships with ourselves, with each other, with our planet, and we can suffer less. It is available to us. Each one of us can do our own inner work. We can be the change we wish to see in the world, and then we will see that that will ripple out. And literally, we can change the world together. On this show, I am going to be sharing my own experiences on the inside out journey, as well as whatever it is that I'm learning or I'm thinking about, whatever I'm curious about or struggling with. But I'm also going to be talking to other people, thought leaders and wisdom teachers, visionaries and coaches, thinkers, people who are trying to bring a more nuanced and expanded perspective to the world's problems, to personal problems, to family problems. People who want to grapple in this kind of a public forum and be able to help to push our thinking forward, to expand our own perspectives, that we are people who want to have our own edges pushed so that we can become more part of the solution, more part of the conversation. Each one of the people who I bring on this show is on the inside out journey themselves. These are people who are already doing the work, and they'll be sharing their wisdom with you, but also sharing their own experiences and also bringing their perspectives, because that is critically important. We need your perspective as well. We hope to inspire you to show up more fully in your life. We know that the solutions to our world's problems, it really does require many minds and hearts, brave trailblazers that are willing to go against the grain. We need to each be bringing our perspective, and we all need to be taking tiny, courageous action. No one on the show has the answer. Each one of us is just one piece of this bigger puzzle, but we are courageously stepping forward to share our piece with you, to share our experiences, our current thinking, and most of all, to share our unique selves, our own perspectives and opinions, thoughts, and our hearts. In this time with coronavirus and many other political, planetary, and cultural challenges that we're facing, we all need inner resilience. We need a lot of flexibility. We need to feel more comfortable in the uncomfortable, and to sit in this uncertain place with a sense that we can actually handle it. And what that means is we need another way to do life. And we need one another to do that. You see, we cannot control the outside world. It's all a myth. The idea that we think we cannot. But we can develop the inner fortitude to not be consumed by the world. And we can and we must come together to find a new way forward. Please join me. The most important thing that you can do in this very moment is you can click the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and that will ensure that you'll get notified every time that I drop a new video. Thank you so much. Glad to have you here.